Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to start by opening settings. After that, scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. From here, you need to click on this switcher next to automatic under brightness slider, the gray one. And after that, adaptive brightness is enabled. In order to disable it, you need to click on the same, now blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!